Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to add MarriageBot to your Discord server. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open a browser and type here MarriageBot Discord, and now open this first link. So this is the bot we are going to add. Now click on invite and now select the server you want to add, continue, and click on authorize and ensure that you're not a robot. And here you can see I have successfully added the MarriageBot to my Discord server. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.